Here are 10 side hustles you can start overnight with AI. Unlock easy income streams using ChatGPT and other powerful AI tools. 1. Publish books and stories with KDP. Dreaming of publishing your own book? With tools like ChatGPT, you can bring your ideas to life in no time. Whether it's an epic medieval novel or a practical guide on a trending topic, writing has never been easier. Pair your content with stunning illustrations from platforms like Midjourney, and you're ready to upload to Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Just don't forget to run your work through a plagiarism checker to ensure originality. 2. Explore endless side hustle ideas. Not sure where to start? ChatGPT can brainstorm personalized side hustle ideas tailored to your skills and passions. Simply ask, "What are the best side hustles to start in 2025?" And you'll receive a list of actionable opportunities. From virtual services to hands-on projects, the possibilities are endless. Find what excites you and dive in. 3. Create profitable YouTube content. Tap into profitable niches on YouTube by using ChatGPT to uncover trending topics and draft scripts. Popular niches include personal finance, tech reviews, and fitness. Tools like Faceless Video make it easy to create content even if you're camera shy. Consistency and quality are key to growing your audience and monetizing your channel. 4. Offer content creation services. Businesses are always looking for great writers, and you can deliver high-quality content in minutes with ChatGPT. From social media posts to blog articles, ChatGPT can help you craft engaging material. Promote your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and turn this demand into a steady income stream. 5. Build custom chatbots. Think building a chatbot is too technical? Think again. With ChatGPT, you can create chatbots for small businesses or fun projects step by step. From back-end setup to website integration, ChatGPT simplifies the process. This in-demand skill can easily become a source of passive income. 6. Launch a SaaS app. Software as a service or SaaS apps are a booming business, especially when they solve real problems. Use ChatGPT to outline features and designs. Then either hire a developer or use no-code platforms to bring your idea to life. Add a payment system like Stripe, promote on social media, and you're good to go in just a day or two. 7. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in any field, turn your knowledge into an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make selling courses easy. ChatGPT can help you design course outlines, write scripts for each chapter, and craft compelling titles. For instance, a course on email marketing basics for beginners could attract entrepreneurs looking to upskill. 8. Provide SEO services. SEO is essential for online visibility, and many businesses are willing to pay for it. With ChatGPT, you can identify high-ranking keywords, write SEO-optimized content, and even audit websites. For example, you could help a pet supply store drive traffic by targeting high-performing keywords. This is a great way to tap into a growing market. 9. Offer coding solutions. You don't need to be a coding expert to provide development services. ChatGPT can generate code for websites, apps, or software. For example, it can create a professional-looking e-commerce site. With a little polish, you can sell these solutions to clients who need tech expertise. 10. Start a consulting business. AI can help you become an expert in almost any field. Use ChatGPT to organize insights, draft marketing strategies, and create consulting packages. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or tech, consulting is a lucrative side hustle. Promote your services on platforms like Gumroad, Fiverr, or social media to land clients. Interested in learning more about building a successful side hustle? Check out the description below and download our free Side Hustle Starter Guide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.